Hey everybody, Robert here with brpautodesigns.com. I'm really excited today because we're actually featuring a brand new product that we just designed and came out with. Now, a few years back, a lot of you guys reached out to me and asked me if we could build a ring or design something that so you could replace the factory subwoofer on the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL. And so we did. And as you can see, this is the actual ring that we designed a while back. This allows you to replace your factory subwoofer, remove that and put a subwoofer of your choice. But the biggest issue that everybody was having was if you weren't running an aftermarket amplifier and you wanted to run it with the factory amp, everybody was having issues with the connectors. What I mean by that is the factory sub comes with 8 male connectors, okay, which is a pain in the butt if you've ever tried to install one of those. Each connection has a total of 8 wires and 4 connectors. And so when you pull it out, if you're not very handy or are not very electronic, you don't have a lot of knowledge with electronics, you're kind of left scratching your head. So what we did is we came out with this design. So as you can see, this is it. Check it out. Woohoo! So what this is a female, this is actually a female plug, I believe. Male, I can't see. Sorry, I got to look at my glasses. No, this is actually the male end. Or no, yes, female. So this is a female plug. And what it does is when you remove that factory sub, you plug these in directly to the plugs that you disconnected from the factory subwoofer. So you just pull those off and plug each one. It doesn't matter which one, you just plug them into whatever one's available. And then it gives you 2 or a negative and a positive connector. So what we've got here is I've got this subwoofer here. And as you can see, there's a positive here and a negative here. And what you would do is just take that sub, okay, and plug it in to those other connections and then just mount it in place and screw it in, as you can see. Real simple. This is a true plug and play. And I know that a lot of you guys have been asking us for a while to make it. So we finally did. We finally got a chance to do the research and design that harness. So you will be able to buy the harness directly from us with the ring, and you will also have the option of buying it with this subwoofer. This subwoofer is by Audio Control, and it's a shallow sub. I know that right now we have one option to buy it with the Rockford sub, but we're also going to offer this with the Audio Control shallow sub. And the reason for that is it has this really nice grill, which a lot of you guys end up asking for later on. So that way you kill 2 birds with 1 stone. You got everything covered. You got the grill, you got the wire harness, everything is there. Everything is 100% plug and play, which makes it really nice. Anyways, I thought I'd come out here and show you guys what the product was. I'm really excited because I know you guys are excited about this. So that being said, if you want to order it, you can reach me at 480-569-3133, or you can go to the website at brpautodesigns.com. With that, I leave you guys. God bless, and I look forward to doing another video later on. Bye.